Breaking news! Keystone species. What even are they, and why should we care? Now, the first thing I think of when I think keystone species is a grizzly bear or an otter. But what is a keystone species? Keystone species affect an ecosystem so much that if they were to go away or disappear, it would totally massively affect and harm the ecosystem. We see this ecosystem right here. There's elk, there's salmon, there's squirrels, and then there's a grizzly bear, a very important keystone species. They keep elk and salmon populations in check and are able to help nurture and bring nutrients to forest floors by dragging carcasses through the forest. But what if we take them away? The soil becomes very dry and unfertile. It can't be used for anything, and any sort of plants that try and take root there aren't able. Salmon overrun all of the rivers. And while that can be a good thing to keep them clean, it also destroys the diversity that is there. And then we have elk. Elk, well, they are mostly kept in check by other predators like gray wolves or mountain lions. Grizzly bears are still very significant in helping keeping those populations in check. If they aren't, then the grasslands that most elk inhabit, along with many other animals, start to lose a lot of the grass and the vegetation that's there because, well, the elk keep eating it. Overall, removing a keystone species means killing an ecosystem, obliterating, destroying. So, what does this mean? What does this matter? Why should we care? Very simple. You know a lot of keystone species. You know the bees, you know the sharks, you even know the beavers. Those are all incredibly important keystone species because they keep their ecosystems, their habitats, and their communities in check in one way or another. This is to teach you simply that keystone species are really cool, really amazing, and really, really important for any ecosystem that they live in.